Yes, I made this beautiful looking chicken flour. Look at how smooth it is. So I'm going to show you the process by which I did this. It's really simple. So you start out by getting your chicken, washing them. I used warm water to wash mine. You need to really wash it clean. I didn't take out anything. There was no need. So I got my chicken all cleaned up, all washed up. Next, I brought water to a boil and then I dropped my chicken into it. I am not just blanching it, I'm actually boiling the chicken. I cooked the chicken. Yeah, I cooked it. When the chicken has cooked, I took it out of the water. I actually put this chicken in the fridge for some time to cool it down. It's better cut when it's cooled down, but you could still cut it when it's hot. But it's cooled down so that it doesn't have it doesn't break apart too much. So you just cut it into any size you want, but the smaller the better. I didn't put it in my dehydrator. I will advise that you cut it smaller than mine because when this thing dries up, it's difficult to blend. Or you could use your food processor to just pulse it. It's easier. It's going to be easier that way. You know, cut it up and pulse it in your food processor because it was kind of a bit difficult for me to blend when it became dry. But because I had a very strong blender that could do the job. I don't know for how long it took for it to get dried. All I know is that I kept turning it in the dehydrator and checking it until I was satisfied with the level of dryness. You need to allow it to really, really dry out so that it can store better and last longer. So next we are going to blend. The smaller cup blends way better than the big cup. So I practically use both of them, but they're both dry cups. There's another bigger cup that is for liquid, which doesn't really do much for me. So for this blender, the small cup blends way better. Now you can see, oh my goodness, you can see how that looks. I have used this in making my waffle. I have used it in, and I'm still going to try it out in some other recipes. This carnivore flour is, oh wow, wow.